Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ace. Today we're at 3035 Tavistock Drive, and this is North Durham, specifically Northwest Durham. It's in the same zip code that I live in, but it's more to the west. And nice property. I think I fell in love with this property because this is my dream house. I love it so much. But yeah, this is such a beautiful home. Was built in 1998. It's on 1.39, almost 1.4 acres of land. And let me show you the frontage. So you have a half circle driveway, and that's the main road. That's a public road. My baby truck. That's the house. It comes with a little garden shed right there. It's also heated and ventilated. Really pretty. Yeah. Let me step over here and show you. And you can see all this brick veneer in great condition. And those are all part of the house. Really nice. And all this mulch. Brick staircase. For the front door. High quality storm door. A little fan right there. You can put a lounger right there. Very pretty. Yeah, I'm really liking this property. It has a lot of colors in this house, but they all works really well together. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but I have to show you. Yeah. Oop. Here we go. Red door. Yellow siding, wood siding. To your left, this is your formal dining. Nice light fixture. The light fixture was updated as well. And here's your foyer. Matching light fixture. To your right, here is the study room, or your office area, if you want to call it that. And here is the kitchen. The seller did so many updates, and you can see this is so cute. Oh my gosh. New fridge, new dishwasher, new microwave, new stove. It also comes with air frying options. And all this under the cabinet's lighting was added to it, and the backsplash. And this kitchen faces the backyard, all the trees and all the grass this side, and the built-in cabinets on both sides. Just so cute. And more trees on this side, and your porch area. More trees. And here is your kitchen dining, and all hard floor, and the hardwood floor looks in great condition. And paint looks immaculate. You know, it looks like it's just done. And this was a wood burning fireplace, and it was converted to gas. Very nice with a remote control and 4-season sunroom. And this is little red, orange, red mix. Looks very cute. And this is the backyard. I mean, look at this backyard and this sunroom. Crystal clear. You can put a barbecue right there. The staircase leads to that way, goes to your backyard a little more. And this sunroom is also cooled and heated for all 4 seasons. And here's a little ramp. You can get to the garage side and also the little workshop. Yeah, super cute. And here is your living room. You can put a big TV up there. Put a sectional right here. It's gonna be really nice. Up front, that's your laundry room. Huge laundry room actually. Backsplash put up there. Built-in cabinets, washer and dryer. And those are built-in hairs. You can just pull them. You can just pull them this way, and it will give you a little rod. Let me show you. Like that. Yeah. And here is the primary suite. Like, this green just works. For some reason, it just works. That's linen closet. Here is the walk-in closet. And the paint looks awesome. And here is the primary bathroom. Double vanity, of course, as you can see. And a bathtub right here. Enclosed shower. And your toilet over here. This is how I look like today. Whee. Yeah, so I just did an open house here, had 5 groups. And you know, at this time, the open houses are not performing the best because the stock market and people just living under the pressure of this economy, and a lot of people are not willing to give up their pre-COVID and during COVID mortgage rates, interest rates. So not a lot of people are trying to purchasing at the moment, but this house had 5-6 groups, which is great, and people are like in love with this house right now. More storage. That's another closet, as you can see. Here is red paint for the bathroom. Very interesting, but it actually works. And the garage is huge. A nice 2-car garage. A tankless water heater with some built-ins right here, brake veneer. There is a crack, but I slipped my foot against it. There was not a leveling thing, so I mean concrete cracks. So yeah. I have to show you this again. This is so pretty. look at this. Oh my gosh. It is a two-story home, and this is also hardwood floor, staircase leading to the second floor. The carpet is new after the seller purchased the property. And this room is actually a walk-in attic. So you can see it's not finished. It's just a walk-in attic, and you can use this as storage space, which is really nice. And here is your first secondary bedroom. This is green and this works, which is crazy to me. Here's the closet, and closet are surprisingly big. And of course, carpet in great shape. You already know that. And this is another linen closet. And here is a shared bathroom. This is a full bath. Hey guys. Here is your shower, toilet, and more storage area. You can build in some shelves right here. And here is the secondary bedroom. And it has a view for the backyard. Very, very cute. And you can see the little garden shop right there. Very nice. Another closet right here. This is smaller, but still very nice closet. And this is the flex room. This is all finished. LVP floor is not hardwood anymore, but I prefer LVP more. Skylights up there. And two more little storage place with attic access. Yeah, that is pretty much the house for you. It's an awesome property. The roof looks great, the paint looks great, all the trim looks great, the kitchen looks great, everything is pretty much new. Everything has been touched up or redone. Just look at this. Just look at this yard. And especially this kitchen right here. Like, how do you not fall in love with this place? This is like my dream house. So nice, so cute. So, what do I think about the property? I love it, it's cute, I think it's very, very nice. The sellers did so many upgrades. There's a booklet for what they have done since they purchased it. They purchased in 2021. First page, second page, third page of upgrades they have done throughout the years. At this time they're pretty much selling to break even or at a loss. Yeah, nice frontage, nice backyard, 1.39 acres of land, paint, immaculate, trim. I don't even see separation of any ceiling. I don't even see places need caulking, to be honest with you. The roof looks in great shape. I don't know the age of HVAC, but I'm pretty sure they it worked great. It feels cool in the house. And I have all doors open pretty much. The sunroom is heated, ventilated, and also cooled. Very nice. Garage shop. You have a little garden area, 2-car garage. You have a flex room upstairs. I don't know. I don't think you need anything else after that. But yeah, the zip code is 27712. It's a little far from downtown Durham, but you're still within a Durham County. You're just not in a Durham City. So some people like that, some people don't. I do like that because I'm paying a little bit less for property taxes every year. But yeah, here's just my thought, and I really like this property. And yeah, if you want to see more properties, see more houses in Durham, in Cary, in Morrisville, in Raleigh, in Clayton, everywhere, in Wake Forest, in North Carolina, in the Greater Triangle area, feel free to give me a call, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.